how to make life in Little Alchemy 2. If you want to make life in Little Alchemy 2, we'll first open up the Little Alchemy 2 game over here. We have 4 elements: air, earth, fire and water. Now to basically make life, we will add water and water to create a puddle. Then we will add puddle to create a pond and pond to go ahead and create a lake plus water to create a sea. Now what we will do is we will combine earth and sea to create a primordial soup. Then after that we will combine fire to create energy. Now to make life, we just have to combine energy with primordial soup like this, and just like that we have our life right over here. This way we will be able to make life in Little Alchemy 2. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.